So here's the complicated one, and I covered up the pause. See if you can do this one yourself. Solve the differential equation 2y double prime minus 3y prime plus 4y equals 0. I'll give you a hint. You are going to get imaginaries. So hopefully that'll give you a little bit of a pointer as you try this one yourself.
Oh no!
Yeah, we're going to get those imaginary numbers. Sorry to say that, but here is the characteristic equation. If you haven't already worked it out, I hope you'd have. 2m squared minus 3m plus 4 equals 0. And using the good old quadratic formula, we get something like m equals 3 plus or minus 9, this squared, minus 4 times this, so minus 32. All that divided by 2 times 2, so divided by 4. So 3 plus or minus square root of 23i over 4. Okay, so what does the general solution look like? Pause here and see if you can write it down. I hope you can. So in case you didn't get it, e to the 3/4 x, that's the real part. That's the a part. 3 over 4. Times c1, arbitrary constant, times cosine of square root of 23 over 4x. How weird that is. Plus c2 times sine of square root of 3 over 23 over 4x. And that is our solution. Okay? Here's one for the next. We'll do it in this video. Solve the fourth order now differential equation with constant coefficients. So take a look at this one. Pause. Fourth derivative of y minus 7 times the second derivative of y minus 18 times y equals 0. Let's see if you could work that one out. Well, I was hoping you would do this one. Let's see if you can manage this. Okay. Characteristic equation. M to the fourth minus 7m squared minus 18. Right? Right? Right?
Mercy.
Okay. Alright, let's see. Factoring m squared minus 9 times m squared plus 2 equals 0. So there are two real roots, m equals plus or minus 3, and two purely imaginary roots, m equals plus or minus square root of 2i. What does that going to mean our solution is? Hopefully you can figure that out.
Ooh, this is fun.
Yes, it is. So let's see. Y equals c1 e to the 3x from this solution, positive 3, plus c2 times e to the negative 3x from this solution, negative 3. Now don't forget, we're going to have 4 constants in a fourth order, or solution for a fourth order, and then plus cosine of, from this square root of 2, that's like the b, so cosine square root of 2x plus c4 times sine of square root of 2x. And that should be just about it.
That was very satisfying.
I'm glad it was very satisfying, and that's the end of this lesson.